In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I fixed that I wasn't able to view my bag in the McDonald's app. So this is what I did. I firstly went to the McDonald's app here, as you can see, and then what I had to do is that I had to click on order right here, of course, and then select a restaurant. And now in here, so basically what seems to be the problem is that when you're trying to make an order for a menu, then for some reason I was not able to view my bag. It just takes me straight away to checkout and I wasn't able to view my bag. But if I take, for example, just one product at a time, so I'm just going to show you. So let's say I want to be able to actually add this right here to my bag, then I cannot make this one to menu. Instead, I had to click on add this product. And then you can see right here, this is the bag here. So if I click on the bag now, I should now be able to view my entire bag right here. And for some reason, if I make it to a menu instead, then it just takes me straight away to checkout. I'm not able to view or get this view bag option right there. So basically, this is at least how I was able to fix it myself.